Xiaomi 17 Pro Max back features a secondary screen, officially called the Magic Back screen, into the camera module. Two of the lenses protrude slightly, while the third sits flush with the back panel. The secondary screen uses the same OLED panel as the main screen, with reinforced edges for enhanced durability and 10 times drop resistance compared to previous generations. He's supporting features like selfie preview, dynamic clock, quick access panel for car controls, and can be used for all notifications. Overall, the design changes are quite significant. The Xiaomi 17 Pro Max features a 6.85-inch 2K flat screen, CSOT, real RGBOL LED panel, a 120Hz LTPO adaptive refresh rate, a 94% screen-to-body ratio, and a narrow 1.18mm bezel. By comparison, the Xiaomi 15 was 1.38mm thick with ultra-elliptical corners and a matte metal frame ensure a comfortable grip and visual integrity. Heat power by world's first Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 TSMC 3nm process chipset with CPU is 2x4.61 GHz super cores plus 6x3.63 GHz large cores. The Antutu score 4.2 million and Geekbench multi-core performance reaches 9,382. And this will be the top tier in the Android market. Triple camera system co-tuned by Leica. Main camera is 50 megapixels SmartSense SC595XS, 1/1.28 inch sensor, QPD autofocus plus LOFIC high dynamic range technology. Telephoto 200 megapixel periscope lens, 5x optical zoom, 200x digital zoom. Ultra wide angle 50 megapixels, 129-degree field of view. Supports 8K video recording at all focal lengths and 30% improved noise reduction for night scenes. 7,500 mAh silicon carbon anode battery, the largest capacity in an Android flagship. 100-watt wired fast charging, full in 19 minutes, plus 50-watt wireless fast charging. Competitor comparison: the iPhone 17 Pro Max has a 4,823 mAh battery and takes 105 minutes to fully charge. 16 GB plus 512 GB version starting at 6,299 yuan across $900. Directly competing with the iPhone 17 Pro Max, 8,999 yuan, $1,100. Some users question the low frequency of daily use of the secondary screen and the increased risk of accidental touches, such as accidentally turning on the screen when the phone is lying flat. Xiaomi responded, through system-level adaptations, such as WeChat dual screen and music control, practicality has been improved and power consumption has been optimized to reduce by 26%. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 5's all-core architecture places extremely high demands on heat dissipation, and high load testing on engineering machines poses the risk of frequency throttling, requires verification on production machines. Xiaomi utilizes a 3D vapor chamber and graphene heat dissipation layer, claiming superior temperature control compared to previous generations. The naming and product line, Pro Max, were accused of imitating Apple, and Lu Xiaomi CEO responded, 7 is Xiaomi's lucky number, and this name is worthy of a cross-generational upgrade. What do you think about this?